Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottage style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Cottage style home decor is a warm, cozy and welcoming interior design style inspired by traditional countryside cottages. It focuses on comfort, natural materials, vintage charm, and a relaxed, lived-in feel rather than a perfectly polished look. Here are some practical tips to create a beautiful cottage-style home. Choose simple, timeless decor pieces that will remain beautiful for years, rather than following short-lived trends. Let natural light fill your home by using light, airy curtains and keeping windows uncluttered. The secret to cottage style is to create a home that feels warm, peaceful, and welcoming, where every decorative piece tells a story and adds to the cozy countryside atmosphere. Display wooden cutting boards, copper cookware, and ceramic bowls to add warmth to the kitchen. Layer quilts, blankets, and textured pillows on the bed for a cozy, inviting look. Use vintage-style bedside tables with classic lamps and fresh flowers. Add a rustic wooden bench to your entryway or hallway for both style and function. Choose handmade pottery and artisan decor pieces to add unique character. Store blankets, shoes, or magazines in oven baskets to keep the home tidy. Decorate with seasonal touches such as spring flowers, summer greenery, autumn pumpkins, or winter pine branches. Use glass jars to display dried flowers, baking ingredients, or decorative items. Add a vintage wall clock to create a timeless countryside feel. Incorporate soft floral scents with candles, lavender sachets, or fresh herbs. Hang linen or cotton curtains that gently filter natural light. Style coffee tables with a stack of books, a candle, and a small plant instead of too many accessories. Include natural elements like pine cones, branches, stones, or dried flowers in your decor. Keep every room comfortable and welcoming by leaving enough open space for easy movement and a relaxed atmosphere. Create a cozy breakfast nook with a small wooden table, floral cushions, and fresh flowers. Organize your pantry using glass jars, open baskets, and labeled containers for a charming look. Add a window seat with soft cushions and a throw blanket to create a relaxing reading corner. Use vintage style hooks to hang hats, baskets, aprons, or cords in the entryway. Choose natural fiber rugs made from jute, seashell, or wool for warmth and texture. Place a rocking chair or comfortable armchair in a quiet corner for a classic cottage feel. Add embroidered or crocheted pillow covers to bring handmade charm into the room. Use white or cream decor on open shelves to create a bright, timeless display. Decorate with dried flowers such as lavender, eucalyptus, or wheat for a countryside touch. Display oven trays on coffee tables or kitchen counters to neatly group decorative items. Keep furniture arrangement simple and inviting to encourage conversation and relaxation. Install bedboard or shiplap on walls to add classic cottage character. Place a vintage trunk or wooden chest at the foot of the bed for both storage and style. Use wicker baskets to store blankets, toys, or magazines while adding natural texture. Hang lightweight linen curtains that move gently with the breeze. Layer different sizes of cushions on sofas and beds to make every room feel extra cozy. Remember that cottage style is about comfort and personality. Choose decor you truly love rather than trying to make everything perfectly match. Keep shelves balanced by mixing decorative objects with practical everyday items. Style a console table with a vintage lamp, a small mirror, and a vase of seasonal flowers. Decorate with open wicker or rattan furniture to bring natural texture indoors. Display handmade quilts on a ladder or over the back of a sofa. Use animal pictures, watering cans, or milk jugs as decorative flower vases. Add a patterned runner to hallways to make them feel warm and welcoming. Decorate your laundry room with wicker baskets, glass jars, and vintage style signs. Keep decorative accessories simple and meaningful rather than filling every surface. Add a cozy sunroom with wicker chairs, floral cushions, and plenty of plants if space allows. Refresh your decor with seasonal flowers, reds, and natural accents throughout the year. Let every room tell a story by combining vintage treasures, handmade pages, and family heirlooms with everyday comfort. Use a vintage bread box or cookie jar to decorate your kitchen countertop. Create a simple dining table centerpiece with wildflowers and candles. Choose lace or eyelet curtains for a soft, romantic touch. Decorate with antique style candle holders made of brass, iron, or wood. Place a oven picnic basket in a corner as both storage and decor. Mix floral pillows with solid colored cushions for a balanced look. Use distressed white furniture to brighten the room while adding vintage charm. Hang a dried herb bundle in the kitchen for a rustic countryside feel. Focus on comfort first. Every room should feel warm, inviting, and easy to live in. Thanks for watching the video.